Alrighty, everybody, so we're going to be doing a transmission pan gasket and a filter change on this 2008 F150 with a 5.4 liter engine in it. So what we just recently did was we redid the whole wiring harness that was blowing the fuse up top, took it home, literally did it from scratch, had some transmission codes, got those taken care of, but they have really bad fluid. All right, so it's going to be a 14-hole gasket, which means there's going to be 14 bolts. And you can actually get this one's actually from AutoZone. Here's a part number, TF403. This is going to come with the gasket and the filter. The only thing you're going to need to get this pan off is going to be a 10mm extension, of course a socket wrench, but we'll be using a AC Delco automatic socket wrench. So I'm going to take you underneath with the metas. Alright, I got my pig mat and I got my catch pan. What we're going to do is we're going to break them all on one side so that it can predominantly fall down one edge, so we're not getting a whole bunch of spillage going on. Alright, you see she's starting to leak. Look at this pan in the right position. So I already took off these bolts around this whole side right there. Okay. Trying to catch it all, man. It's getting hard. Alright, so now that a lot of that is leaked out, all I'm going to do is hold the pan up in the middle of my hand. Alright. I'm going to take the rest of these off. Ooh. Try to tilt it one. Alright. There's the filter. Let's put it back. Let's put it back. Here.
Off the ground, in an old fly zone, flying high. Spirit around me made me feel like a guy. Came from school, all hard knocks, no American pie. In the store on my side, just like a samurai. I'm flexing on demons like hoes. Ain't never been scared, but that must be a joke. I'm really rich in faith and never been broke. Just like Peter stepping outside the boat, for real. Whole cup of vino with the juice. The angle, I mean, really looking out too. Shining lights on them boys that don't make no excuse. Giving God all the glory, not talking about Zeus. I'm up like Christ, you know someone had to do it. The spirit inside me told me to get to it. When I'm going through things, he helped me get through it. I started doing a lot because I grew it. Puro.
Alright, so what I like to use is a wire brush. Some people don't like to. I've been using wire brushes forever and never had issues cleaning the pan. And here's the magnet. I'm gonna wipe this off. Usually this just catches any metal. You can see how this thing is full of crap. Fluid looked good, it was just dirty. You don't want to make sure you get this. There it is. So what we're going to do to make this rubber gasket stay up is stick it through the hole, then twist it through the gasket slightly smaller, so when you twist it, it will stay in place. New filter, this side up. I'm gonna get a little bit of that fluid, put it on the rubber gasket, seal, push it in there, just like that. We're gonna set it in place. Always start them by hand first, if possible. Alright, after we got them all tight, I'm going to go back with the hand tool, and after we pour fluid in there, it squeezes out a little bit. You gotta kind of just know how it feels like. You don't want to do too much. And if it's leaking, after you pour fluid in there, it's either too loose or too tight. It's gotta be just right. My funnel's too wide. This way we'll be able to pour our transmission fluid in. Like that. Boom. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cycling it through the different gears. Make sure we get that transmission fluid moving. And then once we do that, we'll go up top, recheck the fluid level. But you're gonna want to look underneath and make sure it's not leaking between any of the seams of the transmission pan gasket. Next thing you're gonna want to do is drive the vehicle. We already checked the fluid level looks good. And when you check the pan gasket, it's not leaking. You're gonna want to make sure you go underneath there and do that. So of course y'all get with us, Puro Mobile Repair Service. Till our next video. Of course, like and subscribe to our YouTube. Follow us Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. We got tons of other vehicle hacks that'll help all you DIYers out there.